What happens when you pour Coca-Cola down the drain? The results are amazing. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever wondered what happens if you pour expired Coca-Cola down the drain? The results really surprised me, a great use that few people know. Let's watch the video to discover this secret. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Coca-Cola, the legendary drink associated with hot summer days. When opening the lid of a cool can, the sweetness and fresh bubbles spread across the tip of the tongue. Not only is it a favorite drink all over the world, Coca-Cola also plays the role of a silent assistant in the family, bringing unexpected uses beyond imagination. But over time, dirt, grease, and small pieces of debris build up on the inside of the pipe, causing the water flow to slow down noticeably. Even if it's not completely clogged, slow drainage can be frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry to cook or wash dishes. Don't worry. At this point, Coca-Cola can become your diligent assistant, with a unique method to help solve the problem. Looking here, you can see that the unidentifiable debris is stuck in the filter and food residue is stuck. There's a layer of black grease stuck to the edge of the drain. Quickly remove the filter, and you'll see that even the drain hole is often clogged with thick dirt and gives off an unpleasant odor. At this point, a regular toothbrush will come in handy. Apply a generous amount of dishwashing liquid to the bristles and start scrubbing every nook and cranny of the drain. Scrub back and forth carefully. The dirt stuck in the crevices will gradually come off with the action of the detergent. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pay special attention to cleaning the inner rim of the drain hole. Use a brush to scrub until the hardened grease is released, revealing the original shiny metal. Clean the filter screen as well. Scrub all surfaces, both inside and out. Then, rinse thoroughly with running water. After completing these steps, you will notice that all visible areas have been completely refreshed. The drain is back to a clean and shiny state. But don't think the job is done. There is still a lot of grease and bacteria hidden deep inside the parts that are not visible to the naked eye. They are the culprits causing blockages and bad odors. At this point, a smarter method is needed to thoroughly clean. Prepare a large cup. Pour in 150 milliliters of white vinegar. The smell of vinegar will immediately spread in the air. Next, add 4 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. Now open a can of Coca-Cola. And observe the bubbling brown water. Pour the Coke into the cup. You will hear a small hissing sound. And observe the bubbling brown water. Pour the Coke into the cup. You will hear a small hissing sound. Finally, slowly pour this magic mixture into the sink drain. Watch the bubbles as they go down the drain. Let it sit for 1 to 1.5 hours if the blockage is severe. If it is only mild, 30 minutes is enough. If you do it monthly to clean the pipes, just leave it for 15 minutes. During this time, each ingredient will do its job. The acid in white vinegar begins to react chemically with the dirt and soap scum stuck in the pipe wall, slowly dissolving the hardened layer. The dishwashing liquid, with its strong surfactant properties, breaks down the grease layer, turning it into small droplets that are easily washed away. The carbonic acid in Coke continues to foam, creating gentle pressure on the pipe wall to loosen the blockage. The phosphoric acid in Coke also helps dissolve the dirt. Meanwhile, the sugar and other ingredients in Coke can create a slight lubricating effect. After half an hour, boil a pot of water and pour it down the drain. The hot water flows like a soldier rushing into the sewer. On the one hand, it completely washes away the previously softened dirt, driving it deep into the pipes. On the other hand, the high heat kills the bacteria that grow on the pipe walls and eliminates unpleasant odors. When the boiling water flows down, you will hear a satisfying gurgling sound, as if the water that has been held back for a long time is finally released. The previously stagnant water that was difficult to drain now flows out in a rush, as if someone pressed the fast-forward button. When you wash the dishes, you will no longer have to worry about slow drainage. Even the remaining water stains in the sink are completely washed away. When you bend down to smell, the sour and foul smell has disappeared, replaced by the light scent of dishwashing liquid. This kitchen miracle solution is truly amazing. White vinegar uses mild acidity to dissolve dirt. Finally, the high temperature of boiling water completely eliminates the foul smell. The pipe is now clean and drains well, ready for you to cook or wash utensils. Next time you have a drainage problem, don't panic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Just a few simple household ingredients can solve it. It's cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and saves you hundreds of dollars in plumbing bills. Save this tip and share it with your family and friends who often have problems in the kitchen, so that all the drains in your house are clean and clear. If you often have this problem or simply want to clean the sink drain, try it. And if you know a better way, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for your support. That's the end of the video. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.